When Maine's right to repair law passed as a citizen referendum back in 2023, a majority of the conversation had to do with cars. But right now, Maine lawmakers are looking to expand right to repair to include items that are a lot smaller. News Center Maine's Christian Harsa has more from the State House.
If you happen to break your laptop or your phone, Maine's right to repair law could make it easier for you to fix it yourself.
LD 1908 aims to simplify the process for Mainers to fix their smaller electronics. However, the right and left differ on how best to make that happen. Democratic Senator from Penobscot County Mike Tipping drafted the majority report, which the Senate voted 22 to 13 for. Tipping's draft makes all parts, tools, and documentation available to consumers, which he says would save Mainers money. Republican Senate Leader Trey Stewart says his caucus voted against the majority report because they favor the minority version, which he says protects both the intellectual property of manufacturers and the safety of consumers.
In the healthcare field, for instance, something that's being used there and then it gets tampered with because you were trying to make maybe what you thought was a simple fix. But then that technology gets used and doesn't work. Now who's liable?
These protections would bring down the cost of repairs for Mainers while allowing them to extend the life of their devices. It makes a big difference to a family budget if you only have to replace a cell phone every 6 years instead of every 3.
Now this bill will move down the hall to the House, where it will be voted on there. In Augusta, Christian Harsa, News Center Maine.